To free up space on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for device care, and when you enter it, click on the storage. Inside you can see your internal storage and all of the files categories, for example videos, images, and next to it you can see exactly how much space they take on your phone. So here we have videos that take 14 megabytes, so based on that we can click on this and that way select and delete the videos that we don't need. And next thing that you can do to free up space is pay attention to the bottom banner right here. It shows you duplicate files. That means files that already exist on your phone in copies. You can select those files and then delete them. Then we have large files. If you click on it, it will show you all of the files that are over 500 megabytes, and you can delete them as well just to free up space. Just make sure that you won't delete something that you want to keep. Also, you can visit a trash bin and make sure that your trash bin is cleaned. Just select whichever files again and then delete them permanently, or if you want you can restore them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.